it's me, Rebecca. I'm just about to catch up with my monstery friend, Murphy.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's a fluffy fish in a fish tank. For this monster make, we'll need a shoebox with a hole in the lid, orange card, scraps of paper, green tissue paper, fluffy fabric, paint, and stickers. First, you'll need to ask a grown-up to carefully cut a hole in the lid like this, and then paint the box.
Painty, painty, monster painty.
Let's paint the inside blue and the outside yellow. Once that's dry, let's crinkle up some pieces of green tissue paper. And glue them inside the box to look like seaweed. Let's leave that to one side. To make our fluffy fish, we need some fluffy fur and a scrunched up piece of paper. Add some glue and wrap the fur around the paper. Let's leave that to one side while we draw a tail and fishy fin, and a circle for a mouth. You can draw around a lid, button or glue stick to help you draw this. Now we can carefully cut everything out. Murphy, any chance you could use your monster magic?
Coming right up.
Thanks, Murphy. Let's stick these to our furry fish body. The tail can go on the back.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick.
And the fins can go on either side. Let's add the circle mouth to the front. Now we can add some stickers. One for the mouth. And some sticker eyes. Finally, let's put our fluffy fishy friend in its tank. There! One fantastic fluffy fish in a tank. What a brilliant idea, Murphy.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific.